In this video, I am going to customize this main menu. For example, I am going to remove this about LXQT item from this menu. The steps that I am going to follow in this video are somewhat more specific to LXQT, but you will find similar freedom in other environment as well. One or I think two desktop environments are trying to limit this type of customization, and I hope they will not succeed. Anyway, let me open the root directory, and here I am. Let's look for the etc folder, and here look for the xdg folder. Here you are going to find this menus folder, and this is where the menus are created or written, for example. So let me open this specific file, and that is lxqt application.menu. If I open, let me open this in a Featherpad, and here it is. The language they have used to write this menu is XML. You do not need to know the complete XML in order to understand this, but you can easily guess based on this text. So for example, if I scroll down to the bottom, here you can find this menu name and LXQT. So this is where the LXQT about menu is written, and from here it is displaying here. Okay, so let me comment out this line, and let's see what will happen. So here it is, and this. So if I'm going to save this, I need to enter my root password, which is a secret, so I will not going to show you or share it. So now let me open this, and yes, it is removed. But the thing is, we are now seeing this here, LXQT. The reason we are seeing here is because if I go above somewhere like LXQT, let's see where it is. So if we scroll out, and here it is. So from here that menu is coming. So let me comment out this as well. Okay, let me save this again. I need to add the password, and now let's see, it is removed, but I am seeing this other menu, and again it is displaying over here. So let's look for the other as well. Now you get the idea, like menus are created, and if it is not displaying at the one place, it is displaying it somewhere else. So we need to look that as well. So let me look for the others, and here it is. So it is displaying here. Now what I need to do is I need to write this line. You can see over here, this is the line that this line means do not include this desktop entry, this is specific desktop file or desktop entry in the menu. Let me save this. I need to add the password again, and let's see, it is here, but now it is refreshed, and let me open this, and yep, it is removed. Okay, before we go further and do the customization here, let's say I want to remove one more thing, and that is this one. I want to remove this Qt terminal drop down because I'm not using it. So let me do that as well. In order to do that, what I need to do is I need to target the system tools, and I need to specifically mention that do not include this file, this desktop entry. So let me look for the systems. Okay, where it is, let's scroll up, and let's see where I can find it, and okay, I'm not able to find it. How it is possible? And here it is. So system tools. Okay, what I need to do is I need to add one more line like this, and I need to exclude that specific desktop entry. I don't know the name of the desktop file, so let me open the root directory again. Let's look for the usr folder. So let me usr, then share applications, and over here let's look for the, yeah, here it is. So qterminal desktop is the desktop entry for the qterminal drop down. So let me go over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this line. Okay, I'm going to paste here, and let's write qterminal as drop, save, and let's see, and refreshed. So system tools, and yeah, it is removed. One more thing, I usually go for the Featherpad when I do some text editing. So let me add this Featherpad below the preference or above the preference, whatever it is possible. So let me go down to the bottom, and yeah, I'm going to add here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this line, let me paste it over here, and I'm going to call it, for example, feather bed. Okay, it is saved, but we are not going to see it here because I need to create this menu. So in order to create this menu, I need to copy this one. So let me copy this one. Actually, I'm creating a menu for the feather bed, so I have copied that. So let me copy this, paste it over here, paste it over here, paste it over here. And for the feather bed desktop entry, let's look for it. And okay, I'll be able to see it somewhere. It is, yep, here it is. So feather bed desktop. So let me write down this. So it's supposed to be here. So feather bed. Okay, again I need to add the password, and let's see, refreshed, and here we have. Let me click on this, and yep, it is working. So this is how you can customize the main menu in GNU/Linux. So this is the freedom I'm talking about. In other operating system, customizing the menu is limited by the imagination of the operating system creator or by the application developer who think this is how the desktop entries are registered. But in GNU/Linux, you have freedom to customize the main menu the way you want.